Welcome viewers, welcome to my channel. Again I am back with a collection of blouses. So let's start. Blouse number 1, Hakoba material. See, this is the front portion. This is the front portion. With your repeated request, I am showing you again blouses, ready blouses. The material is Hakoba. This is with collar. This is with collar. It will go like this way. Front portion. This is the sleeves, and here is the back portion. See the back portion. Material is Hakoba with kalamkari and ajrak mix and match. Blouse number 1, price is 950. Price is 950. All the blouses are of 38 size, but you can make it till 42. See, just have a look. For booking, please take a screenshot. Blouse number 1. Material is Hakoba, price is 950. Number 2, a similar type with different color combination. See, here is the front portion. This is the front portion with V-neck. Here is the sleeves, and this is the back portion. Price is same, 950. Price is same, 950. Material is Hakoba. Number 3, this is the front portion. Here is the front portion. This is the back portion, Hakoba material. Blouse number 3, price is 900. See, this is the entire look of the blouse. This blouse is without sleeves. Number 4, another Hakoba. Green color Hakoba material. Blouse number 4, price is 1050. See the sleeves. See this border. See the border. It will go on the back side also. Here is the view. This is the view. Price is 1050. Blouse number 4. Material is Hakoba. See the sleeves. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the blouse number. This is blouse number 4. Now here is the blouse number 5. Yes, this is blouse number 5. This blouse sleeveless. I will show you. This blouse without sleeves, and this one is back open. See, this is back open blouse. Price is 950. Blouse number 5. Blouse number is 5. Price 950. I will show you with the similar cut another one, blue color. That one is black with maroon. This one is blue. Blouse number 6. Front portion. See the front portion. Blouse number 6 without sleeves. This is the back portion. Price 950. Price is 950. Blouse number 7. This is organza material. This is organza material. Here is the front portion. The front portion will be like this. This is the front portion, and here is the back portion. See the back portion. It is back open. Material is organza, on which this machine embroidery has been done to make it so attractive. See, here is the view. This is blouse number 7,000 rupees. Only 1,000. All the blouses are having lining, which I forgot to tell you. All the blouses is with lining, and you can make these blouses from 38 to 42. This is blouse number 7. Price is 1,000. Here is the front portion, and this is the back portion. Another one of same material, same design, pink color. This is the front portion. Blouse number 8, price is 1,000. See the sleeves. Material is organza with lining, and this is the front portion. This is the back portion. This type of blouse you can use, you can wear with many of your sarees. These all are mix and match. very attractive, and the price is 1000, only 1000 with this work. See, on both the sleeves you will get this type of work. Price is 1000. Another color, this is blue. This is blue. Front portion. This is the back portion. Here is the sleeves. Both the sleeves are having same type of work, and the product number is 9, price is 1000. Blouse number is 9, price is 1000. Next one, another cotton material. This is the front portion. Front portion, blouse number 10. See, these all are hand work. These all are hand work. It will go like this way. This will blouse number 10, price is 950, cotton material with lining. This is the back portion. For booking, please take a screenshot. You will get this type of work in the sleeves also. Price of this blouse is 950. Pure cotton material with lining. You can see the lining, and you can make this blouses till 38 to 42. Margins are always there. See, I will show you the margins also. See, this is the margin. This is the margin. Pure cotton material with hand work, price is 950. Another color of similar type with the similar material. See, this is beige color. You can say beige with black. Product number 11, price is 950. Product number 11, price 950. Here is the sleeves. These are the sleeves, and see, this is the front portion. Here is the back portion. Price is 950. Price is 950. Now I will move to Ajrak material. On your demand, I am showing you Ajrak blouses again. Blouse number 12. I think it is 12. It is 12. Price is 750. As you have many of you have taken this type of blouses. It is of huge demand, that's why I am showing you again. Price is 750. Ajrak material, pure Ajrak. These all are pure Ajrak material. This is not printed Ajrak. These all are pure Ajrak with lining. See the lining with the margin, and I mentioned these all are pure Ajrak material. Pure Ajrak material. This is not printed Ajrak. This is not printed Ajrak. These all are materials has been done with the organic color. This is blouse number is 12, price is 750. Again this one, green color, front portion, back portion, price 750 with lining. Black one, black with maroon combination. Here is the front portion. Front portion. This is the back portion. Price 750. Another yellow. Front portion. Product number 15. Price is 750. Front portion. This is the back portion. These all are pure Ajrak material with lining, with margin, and the price is 750. Now, here is another one. This is blouse number 16. This is blouse number 16. This is the front portion. Front portion, and here is the back portion. See the back portion. The buttons are on the back. Price is, this is Ajrak material with mix and match. See the entire blouse. The price is 800. Price is 800. See the mix and match Ajrak blouses. I have shown you with the solid color, with a particular color with Ajrak print. Now I am showing you mix and match with Ajrak print. See, here is the view. This is, and here is the front portion. Blouse number 16, price 800. Next, another one, blouse number 19. Here is the front portion. All the blouses are having with the lining. This is 17. Blouse number 17, price is 800. This is also mix and match, front portion, back portion, and here is the sleeves. You can use these blouses with many more sarees. See, this is the back portion. Price is 800. This is Ajrak mix and match. These blouses are Ajrak mix and match. Price 800. Back portion. For booking, please take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. Another one. Blouse number 18. Blouse number 18. Front portion. Front portion. Here is the sleeves. This is the sleeves. This is the back portion. Price is 800. Price is 800. Price is 800. These all are pure Ajrak material with lining. See, blouse number 19. Blouse number 19. Pure Ajrak material, mix and match. Here is the sleeves. Here is the sleeves. Here is the sleeves. Front portion. This is the back portion. Price is 800. Ajrak mix and match. This is the blouse number is 19. The product number is 19. Now blouse number 20. This is called, these all are also with Ajrak material, but these all are W blouses, which you call. I will show you one blouse, then it will be easier for you to understand. It will be like this. This blouse will be like this. Material is Ajrak. These all are W shape. These all are of W shape. So, blouse number 20, maroon color. This is front portion. This is the back portion. This is the back portion. Price is 750. Here is the sleeves. This is maroon color. I will show you 4 colors in this design. This one with similar design. This is called W blouse. See, it will be like this according to your measurement. Product number 21, price is 750. Product number 21, price is 750. These all are back open. See, with lining. With lining, price is 750. Another one, green color, similar design with the similar design. See, product number 22. Product number 22, price is 750. Here is the view. Price is 750. Another one, blue. Same design. These all are W design, W blouse. See, here is the view. Here is the view. This is the sleeves. This is product number 23. Price is 750. These all are back open. These all are back open with lining. With lining. You can make these blouses from 38 to 42. Margins are there. Now, this is the front portion. Butter cotton material. Blouse number 24. Price is 950. Black with pink and runny combination. Black with pink and runny combination. The entire blouse with the work. This blouse is also having the lining. Here is the sleeves. This is front open. This is the sleeves. This is the back portion. entire blouse with the work. Blouse number 24, price is 950. Blouse number 24, price is 950. Black color, material is butter cotton. Next one, here is the front portion, black color, black red combination, which is very demanding. Black red combination. This is blouse number 25, 1150. 3/4 sleeves, 1150. 1150. Here is the back portion. All the blouses having lining with the margin, you can make it from 38 to 42. And those who have taken, you know the fittings also. Please give the feedback how the fittings are. This is blouse number 25, price is 1150. Price is 1150. Next one, blouse number 26. Blouse number 26, front portion, red color with green yellow combination. These all are machine embroidery. Price is 850. Red color. This is the sleeves. This is the back portion. Price is 850. Price is 850. Next one. This is a repeat design, but I am showing you as it has been ready now. Cotton, another cotton material. Blouse number 27, 1050. Blouse number 27, 1050, pure cotton material, white color with this work. With this work. See, here is the view. Front, this is the back portion. This is the back portion. And the price of this product is 1050. Another one, this is also a repeat design. Here is the front portion and this is the back portion. Material is pure cotton ikat material. This is the sleeves. Here is the sleeves. Both the sleeves are having this type of embroidery along with this back side. Along with this back side, this is blouse number 28,050. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, relatives and subscribe. And definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. My booking number is 9330866384. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. COD facility is available only within Kolkata and I will send you the product through DTDC courier.